Hello, I'm Dr. Morales, a cosmetic surgeon and board-certified general surgeon. Today, I want to talk about the tummy tuck or abdominoplasty. This procedure removes excess skin and fat. It tightens weakened abdominal muscles. It creates a flatter, firmer abdomen. Who is a candidate for a tummy tuck? A tummy tuck is ideal for individuals who have loose or sagging skin in the abdominal area due to weight loss, pregnancy, or aging. Have weakened or separated abdominal muscles, diastasis recti. Struggle with stubborn fat deposits that don't respond to diet or exercise. Are in good overall health and have realistic expectations. Do not plan significant future weight changes or pregnancies. During our consultation, I'll help you decide if a full or mini tummy tuck best fits your goals. We'll design a personalized plan for your body and needs. How is a tummy tuck performed? A tummy tuck typically takes 2 to 4 hours under general anesthesia for your comfort. I make a horizontal cut in the lower abdomen, above the pubic area. It is hidden by underwear or swimwear. Depending on your needs, full tummy tuck, it tightens the abdominal muscles. It removes excess skin and fat. It repositions the belly button for a natural look. Mini tummy tuck, it tightens the abdominal muscles. It targets the lower abdomen, below the belly button. It has a smaller incision and a quicker recovery. Extended tummy tuck, it tightens the abdominal muscles. It targets the lower abdomen, below the belly button. It has a larger incision. I carefully sculpt the area for a smooth, firm, and natural-looking result. Is a tummy tuck painful? During the surgery, you'll be under general anesthesia and feel no pain. After surgery, mild to moderate discomfort, swelling, and tightness are normal. I'll prescribe pain meds to manage any discomfort. I'll also provide care instructions to support your healing. How long is the recovery from a tummy tuck? Most patients can return to light activities within 2 to 3 weeks, but avoiding lifting anything over 10 pounds and strenuous activities for at least 6 to 8 weeks is essential. Wearing a compression garment reduces swelling and supports the healing process. Sleeping with the head raised will also help minimize discomfort and swelling. Can I fly after a tummy tuck procedure? I recommend waiting at least 1 to 2 weeks before flying. Long flights and limited movement can increase the risk of blood clots and swelling. If you must travel, stay hydrated. Take frequent standing or walking breaks to maintain circulation. Can I drive after a tummy tuck procedure? Avoid driving until you are off prescription pain medication and can move comfortably. Most patients feel ready to drive after 2 to 3 weeks, depending on their recovery progress. Are tummy tuck results immediate? You will notice a flatter, tighter abdomen immediately after surgery. However, swelling may temporarily hide the final results. It typically takes 3 to 6 months for the full, refined results to become visible as the body heals. Are tummy tuck results permanent? Yes, tummy tuck results last if you keep a stable weight and a healthy lifestyle. However, significant weight changes or future pregnancies can affect the results. Consistent exercise and a balanced diet will help preserve your new figure. Will a tummy tuck leave visible scars? I make the incision low on the abdomen. It can be hidden by underwear or swimsuits. Over time, the scar will fade and become less noticeable with proper care. I will provide scar care instructions to support optimal healing. Can a tummy tuck be combined with other procedures? Yes. Many patients choose a tummy tuck with liposuction or breast work as part of a mommy makeover. Combining procedures allows for comprehensive body contouring and can reduce overall recovery time. We'll discuss your options during the consultation. Does a tummy tuck improve core strength? Absolutely. A tummy tuck can improve posture and core strength. It does this by tightening the abdominal muscles. This can relieve back pain and enhance physical performance, contributing to overall wellness. A tummy tuck is more than just cosmetic. It's about restoring your body and confidence. My goal is to ensure your safety and satisfaction throughout your journey. I'll be with you every step of the way to help you achieve a flatter, firmer, and more confident you. Let's work together to create the body you've always wanted.